Hey Internet, this is just another short video to show off my latest 3D printable model. So in keeping with the festive season, I decided to create a bunch of different cocktail plates that you could use at a Thanksgiving party. You can see my plates here in a variety of different geometric shapes. I've got everything from a triangle and a square and a pentagon up to a decagon. The unique feature about these plates though is that they've got this slot cut into them to hold a wine glass. So say you're at a party and you've got your snacks and your treats on a plate here, and you're holding your plate in one hand and your wine glass in the other hand, and somebody new walks into your circle. Where do you put your glass? Well, this slot gives you the perfect convenient location to put your glass while you shake someone's hand, you open a door, or even just eat some of the food on your plate. So I think that unique feature makes these plates the ideal accessory to have at your next party. It's not completely necessary, but this is my first time printing an item that's going to be in contact with food. So I decided to pick up this epoxy called art-resin, and I coated my plates in this epoxy. Depending on your material, that's probably not entirely necessary, especially if you're using the plates in a personal setting at home. Maybe if you're taking these plates to a commercial setting, you're going to want to consider the epoxy, but that's up to you. Anyways, I hope you like my plates. I look forward to seeing all of your makes on Thingiverse, and enjoy your parties.